No matter your style, if you want some extra lights for your four-wheel drive, whether it be the bull bar, the front mount, or the roof cage, Ryder has the lighting solution for you to light up the night, either on the road or on an adventure. The Ryder LED driving lights and LED light bars all feature Osram LEDs. Osram are the industry standard in LEDs, ensuring high lumen output and long-lasting durability. The light bars are available in lengths from 7.5 to 41 inches, and the driving lights from 100, 180 and 224mm to suit any rig. The Ryder LED driving lights are fully sealed from water, dust and dirt with an IP68 rating in their tough aluminium housing. With premium lenses and a lumen output ranging from 2,600 to 22,000, we've got your lighting needs covered. All Ryder LED driving lights and LED light bars come with everything you need in the box, so there's no need to go out and purchase any additional equipment. With the included wiring harness and durable mounting brackets, these lights are adaptable to almost any vehicle. So, if you're looking to shine some light on the road ahead, look no further than the Ryder LED driving lights and LED light bar range featuring Osram LEDs, only available at Supercheap Auto.